Our devotional focus for today. Sometimes we think we know exactly what the solution is. Like someone struggling to start a fire on a windy beach, convinced they just need more matches when what they really need is someone to block the wind. The crowd that gathered around Jesus was filled with people eager for healing and amazed by what they saw. But the but he looked deeper. He knew what they truly needed went beyond excitement. They needed guidance, understanding, and care. Even his closest, uh, even his closest followers were focused on practical questions. Where will the food come? Where will the food come? Where will the food came from? But what they missed was something bigger than their teacher wasn't just solving problems. He was showing them what true care looks like. In a quiet place, far from the city, far from any city, he had the crowd sit on the soft grass, creating space for rest and renewal. Whether they realize it or not, they were being cared for like people who've long been without direction, finally seen, finally saved. Sometimes sometimes we don't even know what to ask for, but um, it's comforting, comforting to know there's someone who understands our real needs often before we do. Thank you for listening for today sa Devotional Focus. Have a blessed Sunday, everyone.